yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Get that popcorn ready, because you know what time it is. We talking luxurious runners today. We got the top luxurious runners of all time. We talking about the Rolls Roycians. That's right, the Rolls Roycians are in a Phantom Big Boy V12. Them Phantom boys is about to pull some Phantom type of stuff with those luxurious gator boot toes. Can the boys in blue calm these wild, crazy Rolls Roycians down, or will the Phantom boys take those gator boots and give the devil the biggest kick to the back of his head and make the boys in blue look like clowns? Let's have a reaction. Action. Let's get sinister, Rolls Roycian style. Oh, he off the gate. He ain't playing no games. Yeah, but do body on earth, foot in hell. Here come my luxurious toes, devil. I hope you're ready. Where's the sound at, man? Let's see where the sound at. We're trying to see what's going on.
Driving in the traffic.
Okay, there you go.
That is continuing now.
Man, look at the Rolls Royce. Why are you running in a Rolls Royce?
This vehicle continuing on. I'm going to bring up the map for you guys here. Whoa!
Oh!
Whoa.
Yeah, he would have hit that bus. It would have been over for the Rolls Royce. It would have definitely been a Phantom.
There you go. He's making his way. He's on Sunset. And
We got the big sloppy Rolls Royce.
Everybody took their drum.
The Phantom.
Pirouette right there. But this vehicle has been continuing running red lights, doing very reckless driving. And then there was some talk that there may be a weapon inside of the car.
That's like a $500,000 car, ain't it?
That right now we don't know.
Look how fast it is. It got up to 80 quick. Got that big boy V12, right?
Is aware of what's going on, and they're going to get
Got the V12 big body Phantom out there acting a fool like a big booty girl at the strip club acting a fool. Look at it, hugging them curves, man. Why you running in a Rolls Royce though? Why? Don't you got money? Ain't life good?
quite a bit, and that's where our awesome Simon desk got a hold of us and said, "Hey, there's a pursuit. We should go."
Is it stolen?
For quite a while, but then got off in the Sierra Madre area and was in the Pasadena area. Look at this! Look at this!
Oh! You almost hit that car right there.
Look at that.
The Infinity, right?
Contact.
You almost hit the Infinity.
We got really, really close. And this
The grill alone costs more than an Infinity.
out here.
Look how it's tucking up in the back, y'all.
I brought up a moment or two ago that this
Looking like Chad in there. He done lost his rich mind.
that type of performance that you expect from a car like that.
Chad, you got all
driving
everything in life.
Recklessly, there is no law enforcement behind it, but we're making our way into the downtown area. I'm gonna have to work with my pilot Mike today to keep an eye.
Where'd he go? Oh, did he stop?
Pop out between the buildings.
Did he get out?
Worries me. I do not want to lose that vehicle, Mike. We're gonna have to get more over it.
Mike said, "Come on, man. Who got the pilot license? Me or you? I'm just trying to figure out, because can I give you controls and you get over it? Because I got the pilot's license. I can only do what I'm allowed to do. I'm not allowed to break rules. We need to get more over it, like he can fly it. Like it's just simple to just hover over it." Mike should have said, either you fly the way I fly or you get kicked out. Make a decision, because I don't think you can fly.
Okay.
Mike just checked him. That's why I went dead. That's why the mute, because he checked him. Don't tell me what to do, dog.
Through the airship, meaning the law enforcement, that they lost him as well. Went under one of these
Where did he
tunnels
go?
here, so
Pursuit paused. They can't find him. It's like every time they go by them big buildings in California that they lose them. That's not my audio. That's their audio, dog. That's theirs, y'all. Not mine. Where is he at? They said, there you go. Where is he at? Is that him? Looking like Grand Theft Auto in 1998. Y'all remember Grand Theft Auto in 98? It looked just like this. Some of y'all too young to remember that. Oh, this is a chance to get him right here. He boxed in. Ooh, he don't want to tear that beautiful car up. One scratch, 20,000. Oh, is he gonna ram into that other car? Oh my, I know they do that other car. Like, please don't. I cannot. My insurance is not going to cover that.
We're kind of in the swing of things right now. People in their routine. So we're
they got their audio fixed, y'all.
Some people take their cars, go get lunch in the downtown area, and it's very difficult, as you see right there, to keep an eye on this stolen vehicle because of the fact that when you're talking about downtown, you see those high rises. You
can't see nothing.
Changes in the streets. There's some tunnels, some paths where it's very easy to lose visibility, as we're seeing right now. But clearly, Stu is doing a great job, as is Mike, the pilot there, trying to keep a track.
Nah, they ain't doing no great job because they lost him again. This is the second time they done lost him.
This pursuit then made its way along the 210 for quite some time through surface streets of Pasadena, and now obviously we've picked it up around Dodger Stadium and into
where Dodger Stadium
LA.
at?
This is so dangerous.
Dodger Stadium, downtown LA?
Not knowing what's happening around.
I hate to go to them games.
No alert in place with no law enforcement following this stolen vehicle right now, so it's very easy to be confused.
They can't keep up with it.
Out there,
V12.
what's going on? Stu?
You know, I've got.
I don't see him at all.
I'm looking out the window. I think they're in a completely wrong area. They were the last time we saw them. They were probably on Broadway or Hill going.
Y'all can't even find him though. Where's he at? Do y'all see a Rolls Royce? It's kind of hard to miss one.
Just a moment or two here, and I'm sorry about the camera work, but we got to find this vehicle. And
they can't even find him.
Find Broadway.
He about to make us all throw up.
One of the last places we saw him. We're going to move a little bit south, Mike. Move south. Move south, please, Mike.
Yeah.
Blind is Ray Charles right now. Shout out to Ray Charles, man. But we can't see nothing. Just like Ray.
Up in Skyfox, along with the pilots. In this case, Mike, it is very difficult because they are.
Where'd he go, though, man? Them buildings be helping.
They are scanning the scene below them as well. As you can see, they're trying to fixate that camera, get that right camera angle to bring you this pursuit, which could be, hopefully not, though, very dangerous when it comes to public safety. And that is why.
He downtown. He probably safe. He probably know what he's doing.
Situation on the ground when we're dealing with a pursuit like this. You saw how reckless that driver was inside that stolen Rolls Royce Phantom.
They can't find him. He might have got away. He might have protected Patrona. Francisco, I got you. Go, turn right here. We gonna go downtown. Yeah. Francisco said, let's go downtown. They can't follow us through the buildings.
But clearly a very scary situation on the ground there. If you do see a vehicle like this,
where's he at?
You know the situation oftentimes, and clearly this is why we bring these to you. But the work that Skyfox is doing and Stu is doing to make
I can't tell. Skyfox ain't look like it's doing his job.
Very, very difficult, especially when you're talking about a place like downtown LA, where, as you can see, the high rises make it very difficult to really get eyes on the ground there, even from an aerial standpoint. And you can see the cars whizzing by. This is coming up on lunchtime when a lot of offices, they're
perfect time to make his escape. Lunchtime.
In the office now, things are coming to a more fall-like schedule with families back from vacation, students back to school. So we may see the lunchtime rush. So people pouring out of those buildings soon, getting on the streets, perhaps going to lunch, whether it's walking or driving, and then you encounter something like this.
Where's he at, though? All that talking, but you don't know where he at. All that talking.
Pick up once again on this stolen Rolls Royce Phantom.
Got the biggest car on the road, and they can't find it.
Traveling through Pasadena, those surface streets, again, a very scary situation if you're in neighborhoods where this reckless driving can be witnessed, and then the driver taking this stolen vehicle.
Stolen. Okay.
Through the 210.
Chad done stole a Rolls Royce, y'all. We saw clear as day it was a Chad. Or it might be a Hector.
At one point, Stu, you mentioned that
we know he wasn't chocolate, for sure. We know he didn't have the same skin tone as T-Light.
Thank you, Sandra, for taking that time and trying to fill everybody in and give us a few moments here. But you know what? I'm listening to it, and the helicopter, we actually had it for, that's not any kind of bragging or anything like that, but we had it for a little bit longer than actually even the California.
That's bragging. What you doing to bragging right now?
You know that area right there. You have those underground. You have that tunnel over there. They shoot a lot of movies there. But
why can't you find him, though?
Every time I
Why?
see a vehicle moving quickly down underneath me, I'm always thinking, is that a Rolls Royce? And
Nah, that looked like a Tesla.
not. And
No, that ain't even a Tesla. That made it be a Nissan right there.
down there, we're going to keep an eye on it. But as it stands right now, none of the law enforcement have
Is that a Nissan?
vehicle on the ground.
I think that's a Nissan
Just kind of
Altima.
keeping an eye out. But you know, it's a Rolls Royce Phantom, and it's probably going to.
It's over. He got away. The Rolls Royce is in the Phantom pulled a Phantom move. He disappeared like the Phantom. Shout out to the Rolls Royces. This is the second time we had them on the channel, and they got away again. Meet me in the comments. The Rolls Royces have done it again. This is the second time, y'all. This is the second time. The first one was a Rolls Royce Cullinan. This one was a Rolls Royce Phantom. I think they probably both got the same motor, a V12, if I'm not mistaken. But this their second time getting away. They undefeated. The Rolls Royceans are undefeated. I guess you got to get that big boy luxury to get away. You got to have that luxurious V12 and put those luxurious toes all up in the devil's mouth and just wiggle them. You got to tickle the devil's throat and he'll let you get away. Because they was definitely moving in his Rolls Royce. It was stolen as well. So we know it was stolen, and we know for sure it wasn't a chocolate Pookie in there. But there is a but. It could have been a Hector or a Hect-Ookie or Chad Ookie, or it just could have been a light-skinned Pookie. We don't know for sure, but it could have been a Lee Chung, a Lee Ookie. It could have been any one of those, but we know for sure it was not a chocolate Pookie. I can say that because I used to be a chocolate Rolls Royce. Shout out to the Rolls Royces in California now. Is that what they doing? How can you steal a Rolls Royce? I know the security system got to be fire on that. I know they ain't got no regular security system on a Rolls Royce. Can anybody in the chat, can any werewolf tell me, does a Rolls Royce have a high-class security system, or is it a regular security system that every car gets? Because I would think you paying all that money, you would get a good security system. But with that being said, hopefully y'all enjoyed this police chase. And as you know, the great King Werewolf try to bring everybody a police chase. Everybody gets love on this channel. We don't just do Mopars. We don't just do Chevys. We don't just do the quote-unquote regular stuff. We do everybody. Everybody get love on this channel. If you're running, we trying to get you. If you're running, we want to see you act a fool. We want to see you do what you do. We want to react to your buffoonery. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you can talk us, brother, a couple of what? Hype points. Can you dig in your pockets and pull out a couple of hype point dollar bills and let me get a couple of those? But with that being said, I'm going to leave y'all with some positivity. Have you ever thought to yourself, why is it that I can't win? Why is it, or what is it that's holding me back? I can't seem to catch a break. Every time I feel like I'm elevating, I get pulled back further than I was before I started. I know what you're talking about. I've been through that. You know how I made the change? I stopped kicking it with people. I started kicking it with myself and started focusing on me. Sometimes, matter of fact, most times, you got to focus on yourself. See, you wasting precious time messing with nobodies, people that ain't got nothing, positive to bring to your life. They ain't got no offers, nothing to offer you in life. You're wasting all your time, and that's why you can't elevate. I'm just telling you this because nobody told me this when I was young. Nobody sit down and broke it down to me and said, hey, you kicking it with the wrong type of people. Hey, you might want to just start kicking it with yourself and focus on yourself, because you're letting these other people blind you from your dreams. They blocking your blessings. Stop letting people block your blessings is all I'm saying. When you hang around a whole bunch of people that ain't trying to do nothing, you end up falling into that same category of people not trying to do nothing. Before you know it, you in your 30s, your 40s, your 50s. Now you a senior citizen, getting senior citizen discounts, and you ain't got no 401k. Get your stuff together. That's all I'm trying to say. That's it. I love you. Stay blessed up and stay safe. And with that being said, we do not condone running from the boys in blue. We just like to react to it. We don't want to see you do it. But if you're going to do it, we might as well react to you acting like a fool. And if you plan on buying a Rolls Royce, you probably can't afford one. But this is a commercial for you. You see how fast that big, fat, nasty, sloppy built car was running? Running like it was a sports car, wasn't it? V12 power. If you're going to buy one, buy it. But with that being said, if you are going to be a diabolican, listen to me now. Listen to me good. Make sure when you steal a car, it's luxurious and it's called a Rolls Royce Phantom.